Hello everyone. This video for class 7 chapter 6, that is linear equation. In previous video we complete our chapter 5th. Now in this video we start new chapter, linear equation. Linear equation. What is linear equation? Equation in which the highest power of the variable 1 is called a linear equation. वह इक्वेशन जिसमें वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा पावर कितनी हो, 1 हो. दिस इज कॉल्ड लीनियर इक्वेशन. दिस टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड लीनियर इक्वेशन. व्हाट इज वेरिएबल? द वेरिएबल हुज वैल्यू इज चेंजेबल. सपोज 7x plus 1 is equals to 15. So the value of x is changeable. This equation is linear equation in one variable. Variable is here, that is x. Variable is x and the power of variable is 1. So this equation is called linear equation. How many variable? That is one. Linear equation in one variable. If we write 7x plus 5 is equals to 3x plus 10. How many variable is here? You think there is 2 variable, but wrong. There are only one variable, that is x. In this equation only one variable, that is x. The value 7x and 3x is write separately. So don't you think this equation have 2 variables? The variable is same, that is x. So in this equation have only one variable. You can write this equation as 7x. We write this number here, so the sign of this number is changed. The sign of this number is positive, so opposite side is negative. 10, the sign of 5 is positive, so opposite side the sign will be changed, that is minus 5. So 7x minus 3x is equals to 4x. The 10 minus 5, this is 5. So this is linear equation. Linear equation in one variable, because the power of x is 1. If you write 3x plus 4y is equals to 7, so this is a linear equation also, but in 2 variable, because the power of x is 1 and the power of y is 1. So linear equation in 2 variable. In this chapter we deal only one variable linear equation. Okay. In this equation 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. So this part is in left hand side, and this part is right hand side, that is left hand side. Before equality the part is called left hand side. Before equality sign. Before equality sign the part is called left hand side part, that is 3x plus 4y. Right hand side after equality sign, that is 7. In short form we write this left hand side LHS and is right RHS in short form. So right hand side after equality sign, so after equality sign is 7, so this is in right hand side and this is called left hand side. Okay, now we will discuss trial and error method. What is trial and error method? In this method, we find the value of x by trying to several values of the variable and evaluate left hand side and right hand side. How? First we write x and write left hand side and write right hand side. What is left hand side? This. And what is right hand side? This. We put several values of x and find the values which is equal to 15. That is, if we put value 1, that is, if we put value 1, 3 into 1, that is 3, but right hand side is 15. If we put 2, 3 into 2, that is 3 to the 6, but right hand side is 15. We put 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9, but right hand side is 15. We put 4, 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12, 3 4 is 12, and that is 15. We put 5, 3 into 5, that is 15. That is 15. So we write several values of x and find the value of left hand side, and the right hand side is 15. 3 is not equal to 15, so the value of x is not correct. When the left hand side and right hand side is equal at the value of x, this is the answer. That is 3 into 5 is equals to 15. Left hand side is 15 and right hand side is 15, so the value of x is equals to 5. This is answer. Value of x is equals to 5. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. In this way, we find the solution of this equation. The solution of this equation is only x is equals to 5. We get, if we write x is equals to 5, left hand side is 15 and right hand side is also 15, so left hand side is equals to right hand side. So the value of x is 5, and this is the solution of this equation, root of the equation. Thus x is equals to 5 is the solution of the equation, root of the equation. Okay, in this way, by trial and error method, you find the solution of the equation. Now we move on. Convert a statement in algebraically equation, mathematically equation. In class 6, you have already learned these types of statement, how to convert in algebraical equation. A number added to 10 gives minus 13. It means a number, suppose a number is equals to x. What the statement say? A number added to 10 gives minus 13. That is answer. Now we take another statement. The quotient of twice a number and the number decreased by 2 is 5. The meaning of this statement: the quotient of twice a number is, first we suppose a number is equals to x. Twice a number, that is 2x. Quotient means divide. Say quotient of twice a number. Quotient of twice a number, the number decreased by 2. It means the number decreased by 2, that is x minus 2 is 5. is 5. The quotient of twice a number 2 into x, and the number decrease. The meaning of this statement, x minus 2 decrease. The number decreased by 2, that is the number decreased by 2, x minus 2 is 5. So this is answer. Now let's move next topic. Write the equation in statement form. So this give an algebraical expression, we write in a statement. X plus 3 is equals to 5. So we write in a statement, so x plus 3, what is sum of x and 3 is 5. We can write the sum of x and 3 is 5. That is answer. We take another example. 3x is equals to 25. What we can write? Thrice of a number gives 25. Thrice of a number give 25. In this way you write a equation in a statement form. Now let's move on next question. X plus 5 is equals to 7. At x barabar 2, check the value given in brackets satisfy the equation. We have given x is equals to 2. It means the value of x is equal to 2. We have find the value of this equation at x is equals to 2. First we write left hand side. What is left hand side of this equation is this, x plus 5. Put x is equals to 2. Because we check at x is equals to 2 the equation is satisfied or not. We write x is equals to 2. So 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Now we write right hand side. Right hand side is 7. We see that left hand side is equals to right hand side. So x is equals to 2 satisfy the equation. In this way all the questions of exercise 6.1 do in your notebook. All the questions are same as we do in video. So all the questions, question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd, all the questions do in your notebook. Now we will meet next video. Bye bye.